In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT app image generation not working. So the first thing you need to do is ensure your internet connection is very stable. You can also try switching between internet connection and mobile data. Now the next thing that you need to do is go to Play Store, search for ChatGPT, check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and try to relaunch it. If your app is already up to date, what you need to do is simply click and hold on to ChatGPT. Then click on More Features. Here click on App Info. Click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then click on Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache written in bright red. Simply click on it. After that, go back and try to relaunch the app. One more reason that results in your ChatGPT not working or the image generation not working is that if you have VPN or proxy turned on, if any of it is turned on, then simply turn it off. Next thing that you can do is simply go to ChatGPT, click on these two lines at the left corner, then click on your profile at the bottom of the screen, scroll down till the end, then click on Logout. Click on Logout again. After that, try to sign back into your account. Now open ChatGPT, and if image generation is failing, you have to check the model. For example, ChatGPT 4.0 is able to generate pictures, whereas other may not be able to. Now next thing that you can do is try to check if image generation entirely is failing or just that prompt is failing. For that, try to simplify your prompt. Write simply like create an image of a red apple. After that, it might actually process the prompt and give you the image. And even after all this, if it is still not working, what you can do is simply click and hold on to ChatGPT, then click on uninstall, confirm it, then reinstall the app and log into your account and try it again, and it will start working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.